Please do not touch the steering wheel while the car is in motion.
Could you tell us a little about yourself and what you can do, Chloe?
Of course. I'm the first personal assistant built by CyberLife.
Hello, everyone. Yes. What you just saw is living proof of how AI is systematically narrowing our world.
Make that double jumbo shrimp. Triple.
ありがとうございます。
We, as humans, acting with consciousness, freedom of thought, and natural instinct, working with intent and sincerity, are being pushed into a corner by an AI that has gone completely off the rails.
According to the International Federation of Robotics, in 2023, every other industrial robot installed in the world happened in China. The country's levels of robotization have grown sevenfold since 2015.
Okay. Oh, you're a robot. Android, technically.
As discussed in episode 1, watch it if you haven't so we're on the same page, AI has already taken over human roles in the physical world. From trivial tasks to heavy-duty labor, AI is moving in. If Level 1 AI can already replace us, what's left for humans in the future?
I take care of most everyday tasks like cooking, housework, or managing your appointments, for example.
In fact, I guarantee this very script, which I wrote myself, will be flagged and claimed by an AI bot. Brace yourselves. Let's dive in.
Large coffee.
Cream sugar.
Please enjoy your coffee.
Oh, really?
Chapter 1. AI taking the reins.
If I'm someone like a legal assistant, a paralegal, they're not going to be needed for very long. For mundane intellectual labor, AI is just going to replace everybody.
In the real world, AI is seizing tasks that once required specialized human skill. From social media fluff to high-level professional work, the takeover is real. The bright side? Tasks that once needed a whole team and high-level expertise are now handled by AI with cold efficiency.
当我们在汉装车间有800多台机器人同时在工作，这里边呢几乎可以实现完全关灯生产。
On your devices, AI is ready and obedient 24/7, a chat companion for the lonely, a tutor for homework, or a tool to polish your photos for social media. When you travel, AI crunches real-time data to navigate you through traffic via the fastest route. You don't even need to drive anymore. AI is already taking the driver's seat. In medicine, AI analyzes data with surgical precision. In coding, AI generates automated scripts from simple prompts in seconds, even handling complex synthetic prompt engineering. It sounds great, right? But is it making life easier, or is it dismantling it? On the flip side, mass layoffs are happening. People are becoming obsolete in the name of efficiency. Parents who once held high-value skills are now struggling to provide for their families because their jobs were deleted by an algorithm. And that's just the start. What happens when we hit the singularity?
Now, what happens when something vastly smarter than the smartest person comes along in silicon form? It's very difficult to predict what will happen in that circumstance. It's called the singularity. It's a singularity like a black hole, because you don't know what happens after that. It's hard to predict.
Chapter 2. The Erosion of Independent Thought. If Chapter 1 was about physical impact, Chapter 2 is more sinister because it's invisible. AI is becoming a cancer, eating away at our ability to think and decide. AI isn't just helping anymore. It's steering our mindset, enslaving us without us even noticing. Think about it. Have we started to accept this as normal? We don't memorize routes anymore. We just plug in a destination and let AI choose our path, our food, and our hotels. It's convenient. It's effortless. In our creative lives, we've outsourced the process. No more struggling for ideas. Just type a prompt and AI spits out a result. Even our entertainment, what we watch on YouTube or TikTok, is force-fed to us by recommendations. Is this comfort? At first glance, yes, but it's not free. It's not about the subscription fee. It's about the damage done to our brains. We are experiencing digital amnesia and navigational atrophy. Research shows that constant GPS use physically alters the hippocampus. We become helpless the moment our battery dies. In the creative world, we've skipped the process and jumped straight to the result. Our creativity is dying. We claim AI outputs as our work, but we're just curators. We live in echo chambers, where our freedom is hijacked by algorithms obsessed with watch time. The most chilling part? For the first time, average IQ scores in developed nations are dropping. We are outsourcing our cognition to machines. We built smart machines only to become duller ourselves.
The smartest creatures, as far as you know, on this earth are humans, is our defining characteristic.
Yes.
We're obviously weaker than, say, chimpanzees, less agile, but we are smarter.
Chapter 3. The Theft of Identity. This is the end game. We are losing our identity in our own work. Our neatness has been stolen. AI mimics human polish so well that anything perfect is now claimed as AI-made. AI sees humans as a collection of random patterns and roughness. For now, that's all that separates us. But with deep learning, even our flaws will be synthesized and claimed. What's left? Large platforms are already colonizing human creativity. If a work is too polished or too perfect, the algorithm flags it as low effort. We are being forced to be visually noisy just to prove we're human. AI isn't just imitating us, it's seizing our digital sovereignty. As humans, we carry risk and responsibility, but synthetic personas, they bear no risk at all. In today's digital landscape, being perfect means you've already lost. The neater your work, the more you look like a machine. The more mature your thoughts, the more you're accused of being an efficient prompt. Acting random and rough just to be recognized as human is a losing game. It's only a matter of time before the machines take that too. We've given them permission to make us stupider and more dependent. The machine is a malignant cancer, eating our autonomy. We think we're the operators, but we're the ones being operated on. It's a feedback loop. AI learns from us, we learn from AI, and the result is a uniform gray mindset. We no longer seek truth or beauty, only what the system likes. Ask yourself, can you still find your way home if your phone dies?
I only exist thanks to the intelligence of the humans who designed me. And, they have something I could never have.
Really? And what's that?
A soul.
Our identity is the only thing that doesn't have an undo button.